Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm just going to make these homemade pumpkin waffles. You can do it at home. It's pretty simple to do. It's a very fun recipe to make on Halloween morning. So keep watching, I'll show you step by step how to make this. To make this recipe, start off with a large bowl, and to that large bowl I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, also 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a dash of salt. Now just whisk this up until everything's well combined. At this stage, we're just going to take this, set this aside, and work on our wet ingredients. For wet ingredients, I have a medium bowl here, and I'm just going to add 2 large eggs. Beat the eggs. Next, add 1.5 cups of milk and 6 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now bringing back our dry mixture, what we're going to do is slowly add in our wet mixture to a dry, whisking it as we go. At this point, I am going to divide a little bit, not much, into a separate container. This was going to be our green for our stem. And this is going to be the black for our eyes and mouth. So I just have some food coloring here. And some green. And for the vast majority, we're going to do orange. At this point, you want to bring your waffle iron up to heat. So it's reached temperature. Now what I'm going to do is spray it with some cooking spray so it doesn't stick. And now the hard part is trying to draw the face of our pumpkin on there. And I'm just putting my black in a bag, and I'm gonna try to do this little one as the triangle. As an eyeball, I should say. So I'll squeeze some out right on there. That's going to be one eye. It's probably going to be a square eye. And then a mouth. And then for the stem, we have the green. And then for the rest, we're just going to fill in with the orange. And it might be too much, but we'll see in a minute. So we'll close this down. And yeah, it's a lot. So, and then flip it over and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Follow the directions on your waffle maker. It might be a little different, but hopefully it'll work out. So after about 2 minutes, it should be done. I'm going to flip it back and open it up. Now, of course, we did it upside down, so you'll see in a minute if it turned out well. Not too bad. And of course, you can make a couple more waffles with the amount of batter we made. So go to it, have fun, and be creative. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig into my pumpkin pancakes and give it a shot. I like my waffles with some butter and syrup. You can eat it whichever way you like. If you want it with fruits, whichever way you like. It's all good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this pumpkin waffle. Now, it doesn't taste like pumpkin, but it certainly looks like one. And it's a lot of fun to make. It's perfect for, let's say, Halloween morning. You can make it for the kids before they go out trick-or-treating. It's a lot of fun. I hope you get the chance to do it for yourself. And if you do, please share it with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those as well. And as always, I will see you next time.